Hey guys, what's happening? How to make highlights on Instagram. So go ahead and open up your Instagram. Alright. And what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your profile at the bottom right. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. So that requires going to App Store or Google Play. So I'm gonna click New under my professional or under edit profile. And then select the stories, right, that you want to add to your highlights. Right, then hit next, and then I'm gonna ask you to name the highlight, right? Let's say Fav shape. Then add it, and as you can see now you added it to your highlights. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.